Question number 14. Two solid cylindrical objects X and Y are fully submerged in a liquid. Shapes are different over here. One is lengthier, the other one is less lengthier, thicker. Okay. The objects have the same volume. Okay, so you can write Vx is equal to Vy. Density of the material Y is twice that of the density of material of X. So I can now write rho Y is equal to 2 times rho X. As you read the statement, write it mathematically. Okay. Both objects are stationary. Okay. Which statement is correct? The force acting due to the liquid on the top surface of X is greater than that acting on the top surface of Y. Which means what? The force at this point, Fx, and this is Fy, he says Fx is greater than Fy. Is it so? No. Why? What is the reason? Because this gives you the depth D1 here. This gives you the depth D2 over here. The pressure at this point is higher as compared to this. So if pressure is higher, pressure is directly related to force per unit area. So you can say force is directly proportional to pressure. So therefore this is incorrect. This is incorrect. The pressure difference due to the liquid between the top and bottom surfaces of X is the same as that of Y. Which means what? The pressure difference, okay, you find out what is the pressure P1 here, what is P2 here, P2 here. Similarly, find out what is the pressure P1 here, find out what is the P2 here. Then you get the value of delta P here, delta P here. He says this delta P is equal to delta P here. Delta P1 is equal to delta P2. Is it real? No. Because it also depends upon what is the depth of it, what is the height which it is immersed. So therefore, what is the length of the object? The length of the object here is larger. So pressure difference will also be larger over here as compared to this one. So definitely this is also incorrect. Then the upthrust acting on X is the same as that of the upthrust acting on Y. What is upthrust formula? Upthrust is given by the formula density of the liquid, volume of the object multiplied by G. M into G, you get something like this over here. Instead of writing the object's density, I am going to write like this. Now towards it. Now for X, if I write, this will be rho liquid. Liquid is same, right? Rho liquid into V object, which is Vx multiplied by G. And if it is for Y, I will write this as rho L Vy into G. But in the initial itself, we have said that this Vx is equal to Vy over here. So therefore, these two are equal. So definitely C is the right answer. Let us check this also. The weight of X is same as that of weight of Y. Weight of X. What is weight of X given by? Let me write it down here. So weight of X. What is weight of X? It's nothing but mx into G. How do I write this weight here? Mx is nothing but Vx rho X into G. Now what is weight of Y? Weight of Y is equal to Vy rho Y into G. What is rho Y? 2 times rho X. So Vy into 2 times rho X into G. See, this formula and this formula differs by a factor of 2. Which means this has a larger weight, this has a smaller weight. So therefore, this is also incorrect. Okay, weight of X, Y is larger than weight of X. Okay.